What you are looking at here is a microscope video of the experiment which I intend to perform soon. This is my version of the primordial soup, which scientists refer to in origin of life studies. I mixed up a solution of many of the organic compounds which have been found on meteorites from outer space. I then simmered this mixture for 10 minutes with moderate heating and placed a few drops under the microscope. A list of all of the chemicals I used can be found in the accompanying picture. So anyway, this is the result of the experiment so far. I plan to use this mixture as my primordial ocean and run a spark discharge experiment to see what develops. You can see that many of the structures produced here are vesicles which bear a resemblance to cell membranes. On the early Earth, it is believed that there was little to no oxygen, and so all of the meteorites which would normally burn up in our oxygen-rich atmosphere instead crashed onto the Earth, carrying a supply of organic compounds, which probably were leached into the primordial ocean and became what is known as the primordial soup. So any comments are welcome on this video, and thanks for watching.